Greetings, everyone. Today we're going to explore solving systems of equations by graphing. Now, this video is intended for our Year 1 class because today we are only solving systems by graphing when y is already isolated and when we only have one solution. So it's very specific. We're going to really break this topic up. So make sure you're on the correct day, that you're watching the correct video. Otherwise, see my YouTube playlist to help you with the order. So real quick, system of equations, this is new. This is one of our first videos for this unit. And so a system is just a fancy way to say that you have two equations paired together, right? A system evolves into 3 equations together, can be 4 equations together. In our class, we're going to concentrate on just 2. And then today, we're going to really explore a solution, which is going to be a point on the graph, an ordered pair. And what that means is it works for both equations. So 2 lines, 1 solution. There's one perfect set of numbers that works for both. We do have note sheets for all of these. You definitely need the note sheets because we're going to do a lot of graphing in this unit. Again, today y is already isolated. So let's review our graphing rules. I am going to zoom through the rules because we already spent time graphing 1 line. Now we're graphing 2 lines. So my first line, I have a beginning on the y-axis at +2. That's my y-intercept. I have a slope of 3, which means 3 over 1, which is also overrun, sorry. I'm going to rise 3, run 1, rise 3, run 1. I ran out of room, so I'm going to go the other direction. Down 3, left 1, down 3, left 1. I'm going to keep going. Down 3, left 1, down 3, left 1. Let's connect our dots. So I did more than my 5 or fill. Let's look at the next line, right? I'll review so far. Our beginning is at -4, 1, 2, 3, 4 in the negative direction on the y-axis. Our slope is 1. That means rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1. Now here's where I'm going to stop you for a second. Your goal today, and today specifically, is to find out where these lines cross. What point works for both of them? So don't keep going up to the right. That's a waste of your time. Let's go down to the left. Down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1, down 1, left 1. Look what happened right there. It's like Battleship. We just hit the exact same point. And so once I've hit that point, I can connect. And I care about that point. That is my answer. So really big. You have to tell me where that dot exists. It looks like it's at -1, 2, 3 on the x-axis. Remember, x comma y. And down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, -7. That point is the one answer that works for both of those lines. Let's try example 2. My first beginning is at -1. My slope is 1/2. That means rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2, rise 1, run 2. Now normally, remember how my little silly rule is 5 or fill? You've probably heard me say that in class. Well, because I'm looking for where they cross, I'm just going to draw more dots than I need because I want to know where that perfect dot is. So connect, draw arrows, it is a line. Next, I see y equals 4. Oh, remember my shortcut? I always say slice the y at 4. That's a MortVet thing. It's a horizontal line through 4. Perfect horizontal. Battleship sunk. We crossed at this point right here. Let's write it as an answer. These two lines crossed at an x value of 10 and a y value of 4. Our last example today, let's graph. We're going to begin at positive 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our slope on this one is negative 2/3. That means down 2, right 3, down 2, right 3, down 2, right 3. I'm going to go the other direction. Up 2, left 3, up 2, left 3. I ran out of room, so I'm going to, oh, that's a bad connection. Sorry, I am writing on my tablet. That's kind of hard to do. Hopefully your guys' is much cleaner than mine. There we go. My next line begins at positive 5 again. What? There's our point. Now, I still want to see the other line graphed, right? All right. My next line is positive 2/3. Rise 2, run 3. Rise 2, run 3. Let's go the other direction. Down 2, left 3. Down 2, left 3. So we've got this perfect x. Look at that. That's a perfect x. And we have a perfect intersection point. That red dot has an x value of 0 and a y value of 5. Alrighty, so in this particular video, y was isolated and we had a nice clean point of intersection, and I need to see that point written out. Make sure you check Google Classroom to see what the task is to go along with this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and until next time, have a good one.